Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram black screen, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you should to go to apps, as you see here. And when you will see this list, you will go down to Instagram like this here. Sorry, to Instagram, you will find it here. And then when you will find the Instagram, you will go to force stop. When you will click force stop, then you can go to click storage here. And after that, in this page, you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.